Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery percentage not showing on your Samsung S26. So first, if you are on the One UI 8.5, it's not normal that you do not have battery percentage because Samsung deleted this option. You will always have the battery percentage, but you can change the indicator. You cannot disable those little numbers. My battery percentage is 52 right now, and I will see it always. Now, if you do not have it, then what you guys want to do is restart the device to reset the battery sensor. So press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now tap restart and tap again to restart the device. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After you restart the device, what you guys want to do is go to the Play Store and download the battery widget. See if it works. If not, then we got a problem. So we're gonna type in Battery Widget Reborn, and we're gonna be using the app by Thomas Kubalik. I've been using this widget for a couple of months now, and it's been great. This widget is the best. Let's click open, and here we're gonna click consent, start manually, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna pinch our screen, click on the widgets, and click on Battery Widget Reborn. Let's click right here, click add, and here we can of course change it like this for an example, but as you guys can see, if we watch an ad, then we will get all widget options for 24 hours. So you guys can set it up like this for example, or simply battery remaining. And we got our battery right here. Let me quickly make it bigger. And as you guys can see, that's how it works. Now we got a percentage here, but if you do not have it, then it's probably because your battery sensor is not working and it should be repaired. So go to the authorized device center and they will fix it for you. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.